Good morning, YouTube. Look at that sunrise. Just a quick little update. Getting right at, let's see, 14 whopping miles to the gallon. That is an increase, about 3.5 to 4 miles per gallon since I put that cold air intake on this truck. And you may be a skeptic. I think it helps out some, but you may not be interested. But if you are, hop over there to AmericanTrucks.com, check them out. I'm not sponsored by them by any means at all, and I get no money from anything that they sell. But that's where I picked it up at. I got a Specter cold air intake. It was about $200 or so cheaper than the S&B and the K&N, and I mean, I'm all about saving some money, especially when it's pretty much an identical product. But anyhow, y'all hop over and check them out, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.